Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily allow Google Chrome on your Android device to play sounds. That's quite simple, interesting and easy. So make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all, open up the Google Chrome browser on your Android. Now once you're on this page, you'll have to tap on those three dots on the top right corner and then tap on settings. Now you'll have to scroll down a bit and then tap on site settings, and now you'll have to scroll down a bit, and in the content section you'll find an option of sound, and you'll have to tap on it. And if it's turned off by default and you're not able to hear sounds on Google Chrome on your Android, you'll have to turn it on, and now you'll be able to hear all the sounds from Chrome browser on your Android. So I hope you found the video helpful. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.